welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to Dodge Nature Center. I'm going with my parents and my aunt again, and we'll see what pictures I can get. There's Django making noise. Someone left a doll on the bench.
Somebody's gonna be devastated over that.
Hi, buddy! We have many of you in our neighborhood.
Oh, he's big.
It's huge.
Here's your owl, Mom.
I want to enjoy one at a time here.
He's huge.
Profile. Kaylee. His neck is out. Look at.
Your guy's sleepy. There's a hawk in this one. Oh, he's right here. There's feathers everywhere and poop everywhere. Take off, buddy.
Kind of a cute thing.
He's thinking about it. Yep.
It's closer now.
Well, this is creepy.
What?
This doll.
Do your intro.
Yeah, I did at home.
That's why you said just a minute, right?
Yep. No public restrooms. Beware. Due to COVID. Mom, that's a problem for you. This is so pretty. I might have to take a photo like this. Today is one of the nicest days. It's 50 degrees, so we had to go on a walk today. And everyone's enjoying the nice weather because that's all we can do right now because of COVID.
It's kind of cool.
Look at how frozen it is here. Completely frozen.
He's probably away from over there.
The roosters are really loud. You can probably hear them, but we're gonna get closer.
Is there?
Attached to this barn, there's a little greenhouse. Are those pineapples? That's so cute. I love that. They have chickens and roosters that make noise and walk around, but you can't really get close to them.
I like that white one. That's a cool one.
The one in the corner is really pretty with the white tail.
Yeah. Look at that brown one's even pretty. Yeah, some of the trees and-
Don't feed the animals. Okay, I won't feed my dad. Dad, it looks like you can't be fed today. Don't feed the animals. I love white horses. They're pretty.
Oh, that's a pretty stamp there.
He's glowing in the sunlight. There's a little pond over there. And then there's a fireplace.
That's cool.
There's a witcher's brew over there that hangs above the fire.
It's a witch's kettle, not a brew.
It's a cauldron.
Witch's cauldron. Pot. Whatever it is.
If my back wasn't wrecked before it is now.
She tripped over a branch. Almost fell.
Same foot and everything. I could feel the shock all the way up to my knee because I went boom. Oh. Dang, that hurt my ankle too. Kaylee, bye.
Wow, it's cool.
It's like I think this is a tiller, isn't it?
No.
Mom's struggling to death.
Oh.
Now she has burrs. We were just talking about how she's gonna get burrs next, and look.
I think I better go home.
Like that, he says.
Good as new.
Oh my god.
All right, moving on.
Yeah, it's a deer.
There's a deer over there.
You have to zoom in.
She's camouflaged like perfectly.
She is. She's so pretty though. She's a beauty. Not even scared of the sirens. This is what I've been wanting to find today for a picture, and I found it. It's like a little hidden spot.
Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself.
From a hawk, or is that a dead hawk? Oh, it's just feathers.
Oh, looks like a beak here.
Really?
Is that an owl?
Oh,
Oh no.
that's an owl.
Oh.
In bird collars.
They found
Mom, it's probably, well, it's probably real, but like fake.
They found a dead owl.
Oh, flashlights.
No, it's probably for teaching, Mom.
It's real though.
And we're back to the beginning, going to the car now. Somebody stole the doll away. It was sitting right here. He has one eye, poor thing. So we're back home, and my hair is completely straight now. It was crimped from my braids, but now it's completely straight. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!